pretty. No, don't do that. It's a wall painted artwork. It's so cute. I love it. And then you've got it all the way that goes all the way there. They're so pretty. The horse says forever. I am a typeface. Take a second think. This is so cute. And it says each picture of this wall represents life lost aid in Dorset. Oh, this is so pretty. I love it. Then we enter into our little hotel. This is our hotel this time around. And the sun's come out. And outside of our hotel, you see this. Going into the hotel. It's gorgeous.